Hi guys, today we will explain how to receive money on Revolut. This process will be simple and easy, and for this we have two methods. The first method is, you can send a request directly to your contact list, and the next one is, you can send a request to another person, if that is not in your contact list. So let's start the first method. The first one is select transfer from the bottom, and here select your contact to which you want to send request. Just like me, I will select this one. And on the bottom, you can see the option request. Just click on it, and here enter the amount, and then click on the option request. Now let's move to another way. Let's go back to the home page, and here again, click on the option transfer. And now time to send a payment request to that person, which is not in our contact list. Click on the option new, which is on the right top, and take a look on the last create a payment link. Just click on it. And here are two things, send money and request money. Click on request money, share link. Once you will share the link to that person, then that person will send the amount that he wanted to send you. But if you want to request the money by yourself, then click on this option to request a specific amount and enter the amount, and then click on the option create link and send this link to that person. Then he need to pay that amount which you entered. And it was the primary way by which you can request a payment on Revolut.